stay tuned to find out how to make this fall sign. To begin, you're going to take these cedar wood shims and you're going to hot glue them together. You'll want to be careful of your placement because they are thinner on one end than they are on the other. So I would suggest lining up the thicker ends to make it more sturdy. And you'll want to stagger them to add to the effect of it being an authentic wooden sign. Then I just added some hot glue to the back of the sign just to reinforce it and make sure that it was sturdy. Next, I used my leaf cutout to cut out little leaves out of this vinyl paper, and it is self-adhesive, and I cut out leaves in both orange vinyl paper as well as in brown vinyl paper. Next, you'll want to use this wood finish stain to stain the wood. I want to give it more of a fall look. Now, this stain, I forgot, is actually a little bit darker than I anticipated. I wanted more of a light brown to it, but it still worked out and came out great. I also, as you'll see in the next clip, am going to add a little bit of this brown gold tint to the top of the sign, and this will just add a little bit more sparkle to it because there is glitter in the tint that I am going to use. You'll see it in the next slide. And here's the color wash tint that I was talking about. It just has a little bit of glitter in it. I should have just went ahead and gotten a bowl and then washed it over the sign, but I don't even know what I was doing with not getting a bowl. But I just used a little bit of it to brush over the top of the sign, and it added a little bit of a shimmer. Next, I'm just going to add my leaves that I cut out earlier to the sign. I am doing random placement. One thing that I will end up doing after I add these is painting a little bit of Mod Podge over them, and this will just help to adhere them to the sign, because with the tint and the stain, the vinyl adhesive did not stick as good as I hoped it would, and so it just needed a little bit of help. For my last step, I am going to use this apple barrel gold paint just to paint my little saying onto my fall sign, and it's gonna just say fall into fall. Now, I am not the best when it comes to writing or painting letters, but I did my best, and I think that design turned out really cute. And here is the finished DIY. What do you guys think? I really like how it turned out. I think it looks like an authentic sign. I love the fact that the leaves look like they're falling down to the bottom, and how the gold color pops off of the sign. Would you guys make this for your home for the upcoming fall season? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share this with a friend. In most places, it's starting to snow already, so for the ones who do have a fall make sure you take advantage of it. Thanks so much for joining me for another video this week. I really appreciate everybody who's been sticking with me, subscribing, liking my videos, and commenting down below. Hope that you guys are still having a great day wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye.